Hey everyone, welcome back to Mango School. Today's a bit serious. We're talking about the fake Jollibee Labor Day gift link that's been making rounds. It looks innocent, even festive, but it's not. My own mom clicked on it, so trust me, this stuff is sneaky. Let's break down what really happens when you open this scam link and how to protect yourself. This is how it starts. Someone sends you a message saying you can get free Jollibee gifts by just answering a few questions. It may even come from a friend or relative who thinks it's real. You're asked questions like, "Do you know Jollibee?" and then told to share the link with others. That's how it spreads, like a virus. Now here's the techie part. Once you click the link, even without typing anything, the site can collect your IP address, what device you're using, your browser info, and sometimes even your approximate location. If you interact with it more, malware might be downloaded to your phone or browser silently. This is called data harvesting, and yes, it's a scam, not a harmless quiz. So what if you or someone you love click the link? Don't panic, but act fast. Change your passwords, especially if you use that device for email, banking, or social media. Scan your phone. I recommend anti-malware apps like Bitdefender, Malwarebytes, or Norton Mobile. Check for unusual apps in your settings. If something looks unfamiliar, delete it. Clear your browser history and cache. That can stop trackers or scripts from staying active. My mom didn't give any info, but she shared the link, and that's how these scams grow. That's why it's super important to educate our families and communities, especially those who aren't always tech aware. If you've dealt with scams like this, share your story in the comments. And if you want to know how to completely remove malware from an Android device, check out my previous video right here on Mango School. Stay safe online, be skeptical of freebies, and help each other out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more online safety tips. Thanks for watching.